Hey guys, it's Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm. You know, I'm a movie buff. I used to sit and just like watch these old movies hours upon hours, and I would always like look for mistakes and things like that. But I wanted to share my love of movies with you guys, especially the old movies. I always say the late movie. I always kid and say that to Clay. But here's a really good one, and it's on YouTube and it's for free. It's called Charade. And it is with Audrey Hepburn. And it's one of like a thriller. And it's like you have to be watching everybody and try to figure out who's the good guy and who's the bad guy. So if you like those types of movies, you are going to love Charade. Watch it. Let me know what your thoughts are. I give it a 5 out of 5 on my rating system, and you're gonna love that movie. You'll be like, oh, that was so great, and it's free on YouTube. So guys, remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God bless.